Bites. My name is Maya and I'm the community chef here at Red Hook Farms. And today we're making some sauteed Brussels sprouts with balsamic vinegar, super easy. And stay tuned for this week's code word that you can use at our Saturday farm stand. We're gonna get started.
First step is getting all of your vegetables washed and ready to go. Next, you're going to chop all of your Brussels sprouts into halves. After that, you're going to add some oil to your pan, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, and then you can begin to add in your Brussels sprouts, making sure that they are on one layer and none of them are stacked on top of each other so that they crisp and brown evenly. And you can add a little sprinkle of salt, and you want to leave them there to get browned for about 5 to 8 minutes. Also, if you didn't know, you can use Health Bucks at the farm stand, and Health Bucks are a type of coupon that you can use at farmers markets around the city, including the Red Hook Farms Market that happens on Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. This week's code word is kale sprouts. Once your Brussels sprouts are starting to brown, you can turn them over, start to get the other side browned, and then you can add in a splash of balsamic vinegar, let it marinate and brown, and you're done, ready to serve.